We are back at it again here with another video with the Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. All I ask for in return is for you to smash that like button, tell me know you watch this video. Helps out the YouTube channel and lets me know you appreciate the time and effort I put into making these videos. So here we are with SENS Stock, Sensonics Holdings Inc. After it shot up in the aftermarket hours, we're going to break it all down. That is one heck of strength here on 42 Vision. But before we break it all down, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity I mentioned this morning over at the Discord. And if you want to get on early with us every single morning, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us. We're going to jump right into it here with Sensonics Holdings Inc. SENS Stock. So the home run of the day was spectacular and beyond expectations. And if you want to get on early with us every single morning, we strive for opportunities like these. Check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. And by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. So these are the stocks I mentioned this morning. PSTV gave 10 to 15% in the pre-market towards the bell, but HOTH turned out to be the home run of the day. It was spectacular and beyond expectations. We caught this one as it was consolidating and still showing strength here on 42 Vision. Even though there was a bear indicator, it was still pretty strong. HOTH towards the bell started pushing up higher, nearly 20%, pulled back down after the bell, got that bull indicator on Ultimate 42 Vision, and the strength there on 42 Vision all the way to a highest point of 70% plus, guys. If you want to get on early with us, we strive for opportunities like these every single day. Check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us. Let's jump into these charts. So here we are with SENS Stock, Sensonics Holdings Inc. And the stock was sitting sideways for the last several days, bouncing from the 250s to the 290s, back down towards the 260s, sitting sideways pretty quiet for the day. And all of a sudden, there was a transition here of red with green borders to dark green with green and taking off from the 260s all the way up to the 340s. Why did SENS stock take off like this in the aftermarket hours? That's what we're going to talk about today, and we're going to look at it with Ultimate 42 Vision on different time frames to see what's going on. And by the way, you can now gain access to the premium 42 Vision indicators. The link is down below in the description to the 42 Vision indicator to receive the clarity you deserve to maximize on opportunities. So here we have it with the bull indicator popping up exactly there at 268. Things started pushing up, and it went up nearly a total amount of 40%, guys. From the 260s to the 340s, almost 40%, pulled back down. And the question is, could this continue into tomorrow? We're going to talk about that in just a moment, but let's read the article that pushed this up to this point. So if we look at this article here, you could see that Sensonics announces business updates. So when they break it down, this came out today towards 4:45 p.m. This is a little bit late, but you could see why things started moving the way they did in that action, right? From 4:30 moving forward. It was literally almost like 15 to 20 minutes late by the time this article was published. But it gave enough time for investors to be aware of it and probably even catch it if they caught it on time from the 280s or almost $3 all the way up to 340s, which was still another nice 10 to 15%. So if we look at this together here, they're stating here that the review for the FDA for the PMA supplement for the next generation Eversense 180-day continuous glucose monitor system is nearing completion. So this PMA has been going on since July of last year. Okay, we broke that down and you could see it in the charts. If we actually zoom out, let's put the 4-hour here. You could see it in the charts that back in July and May and June, things started pushing upwards, pulled back a little bit, and then in July, it jumped back up towards the 4s. The reason why it hit these highs around this time was the anticipation and the excitement of the information that was coming. This was all the hype and speculation on small caps from January and February in the overall market. This was just beyond what somebody would expect. And then during June and July, that was the time that everyone was expecting this news to come out. Things kind of pulled back. Then it pushed up in July towards August and September, but this was really the time frame where things were pushing up due to the fact that everyone was anticipating the news on the Eversense, right? and that PMA FDA approval. So this is just the beginning. Since last year, we've been waiting as investors, right? Everyone watching my videos and everyone that I've been updating has been watching this for some time. And if you go ahead and read on Sensonics, on different posts and forums, everyone's been waiting and everyone's like, it could happen any day now. So right now, this right here is just speculation adding to the possibility that it's nearing its completion. This is a very broad term, okay? And then basically raised have been answered. The decision regarding approval is expected in the coming weeks. So nearing completion and now coming weeks. So there is now a time frame that this could be on its way happening. So tomorrow, a lot of investors are going to be watching Sensonics Holdings Inc. This is huge, okay? Then they talk about their marketing campaigns and also reiterating the financial outlook, which was about 15 million for the revenue growth, and guidance was dropped from just 15 million to 12 to 15 million. So now it's not obligated to break above 15. Now it could land between 12 to 15 million. That right there is giving them some leeway to possibly even add a further catalyst if they land in these numbers or above it, right? Because before it was just 15. Now it says here in this article 12 to 15 million. We'll see. But the next several weeks is pretty close. It's a pretty close time and things are starting to move pretty quickly. So tomorrow, this is definitely going to be a stock to watch. And if we put the 4-hour, you could see that it got the bull indicator at the same time. And it's one huge bar here. So we need to see this continue pushing upwards, not sit sideways, not push back, and break above 344. I kid you not. If not, this is just going to be a lot of hype and things are just going to cool right back off. And then we don't know how far this could go, right? Because a lot of people are saying this is going to break towards the 52-week range or possibly even above it. If it can't break 344, that was the move. We just saw it. Everything else in between is going to be a lot of hype and speculation. Small moves of 5 to 10%, 10 to 20%, which aren't too bad, but it's not the move every single investor is hoping for or expecting. So definitely needs to break towards 344 eventually in the next several days or weeks. And if this stays above $3, there's some strength. If it breaks through it, it could go into further weakness, but it doesn't mean that it's over, right? Because right now, this is just a lot of speculation and hype moving really fast. And the question is, when is it going to come? And it basically said it here. It's nearing its completion on the 180-day continuous glucose monitor system. And it's expected to be coming in weeks from now. So weeks could be 2, 3, 4, and they could probably extend it up to 8. That could be 2 months. Now it went from weeks to months. They've been doing this for some time. But if they stated weeks, it could be very soon. It could be in the next month or so, right? Between now and January and February, if this holds true, based off the statements of this article and that the company shared. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money. If you made it to this point in the video, I want to say thank you for supporting the channel, and I really do appreciate the fact that you guys find value in everything that I share and update every single day. If it's your first time coming across the channel, thank you as well. And if you're a frequent viewer, I want you guys to be aware, new or frequent, that you have more to obtain than just these YouTube videos. I offer more than just these YouTube videos. And as you can see on the screen, these are the home runs of the day today. And if you look closely at the charts, you could see the strength and weaknesses within the chart with 42 vision going from red to green and from green to red when there's weakness and strength, and also the placements of these bull and bear indicators, which is the new upgrade that just got released. Every single investor is loving it and maximizing on opportunities with the clarity that it brings through the volatility. And you can receive this now as well. The 42 vision indicator link is down below in the description. And by joining the 42 vision tier level, you will gain access to the daily watch list, home runs that I strive for every single day, the weekly watch list, and a community of investors all looking to learn and grow together, as well as the premium indicators to receive the clarity and confidence you deserve to maximize on opportunities through the volatility of the markets, guys. And these work live in action within the charts, within the volatility, to bring clarity, simplify, and enhance the charting experience, no matter what experience you have in trading and in charting, guys. Check out the link down below if you haven't already to see everything there is to offer. And once again, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.